Hi, my name is Chris Borja, founder of Become a Better Networker. I'm a speaker, a trainer, and a coach, and frequently I'll have happy clients, and I'm pretty good about getting written testimonials. However, where I struggled was with a video testimonial, and for a couple reasons. One, because it was just challenging to find time to meet up with them to where I can actually capture the video. Then it would take me time to edit the video until I liked it, and I would never end up getting a video done because I'd be so picky. So what I really like about Magnfi is the ability to easily send a request to one of my clients where I can just email it to them and they can conveniently record it on their phone or on their computer, where it makes it really easy for them. And of course it saves me a ton of time, because otherwise I probably would not have any video testimonials. So I've actually been using it and I love it, and my clients love it. So hopefully you're able to enjoy the product as well and use it for your business and help you grow.